So a few days ago, I made a video about what the reskins for the wizard were going to look like. It looks like this. I don't like what it's going to look like. But today, someone posted a video about Prodigy's video, what it's going to look like. I have not been able to find this anywhere else. I will leave their link to their video down in the description, but let's go ahead and look at it. Okay, so right here we have the thing. It's uploaded by Zion Warden. He didn't show the link to the video, but let's go ahead and watch it. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I do like how this wand looks. I think that we might be able to go into the code and see if we can find what these retextures are going to look like, but I don't like how the wizard's going to look. Maybe that's just because they're not wearing a helmet. It might look less noticeable if they're wearing a helmet. But I don't like how they're trying to make it look more cartoony. Like, it already looks good enough. Everyone likes it. I don't see why there's a reason to change it. And let's see what that last one looks like. Okay, I like this sword. This sword looks very cool. But I wonder what the boots are going to look like. Can we finally see what the celestial boots or the cake boots look like? Because right here we get to look at what they look like. Okay, that one looks cool though. So, this one looks cool. I'm not sure what armor this is. They actually do have boots on, and I don't know what's on their back. So, boulder bosses. Gear that glitters, so they're going to be updating the gear. And a brighter U. I don't see why they need a brighter U. No one or not many people like education. So I don't see why you need to make it look more like education. Someone said that the Prodigy's a business and stuff. So I don't see why this would mean anything. They're still make this. They could have used this money on this to make the storm tower faster, but instead they have to go ahead and change what the wizards and everything looks like. But that's just me. Let's go ahead and watch the rest of it. Okay, let me see that again. Okay, so this doesn't look any different. The epics look the same, which is good. Is that a beard? Is that a beard? It looks like we are going to get boots. Not sure why they have the Storm Titan here. This one I like a lot. This one looks very cool. But the wizards are the worst part. Like, why does he have a beard? So yeah, that is the video. So honestly, it doesn't look as bad as it's going to be. I think I could live with it. I don't like how they are changing the wizards. I definitely do like that they are going to be changing how the wands look. I don't think any of them have been changed yet. I think that the one that we saw featured in the video, this one is going to get changed. This one will get changed. That was one of the ones that I liked. And then there were a few others that I think are going to get changed. Like this one. We should have saw it coming because like this one has already been retextured. My only complaint is that it looks more computer generated instead of more hand drawn. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.